How to make YouTube Shorts on Android. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open CapCut. If you have already edited the video, make sure you click on ratio at the bottom. And then, after you have selected ratio, make sure it's 9:16. If it was usual YouTube, you can simply click on 16:9. If it's shorts, select TikTok option. After you have done that, scroll to the left and click on auto reframe. That is pro version, but if you do that, your video will be in frame. After you're done, press on arrow at the top right corner of your screen and save your video and upload it to the YouTube. This is how to make YouTube Shorts on Android. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.